Here we've got just a standard screwdriver. Let's see what it's set at. Okay, the tip is magnetic north. Now what we want to do is make the tip magnetic south. We can do that. Directional flow indicates that if we put a positive charge into here, the current will flow through and come out to ground. By this we know that this would be north, so we want to make the tip south. So what we have to do is we have to insert the screwdriver in this way. Attach this to plus, attach this to minus, charge it. And now, very easily, we can see that the tip is now south. And we can very easily reproduce that by reversing the screwdriver in there. And now we can see that the tip is now north again. See, what happens here is the iron is only susceptible to the charge from the core. The iron has no bearing on north and south pole. What has a bearing on north and south pole is the directional current. Now you can see here that our current is flowing this way. I wrapped this specifically like this because that's the same direction that everything rotates. We rotate around the sun in a counterclockwise. We rotate counterclockwise, which basically puts movement in the counterclockwise direction with the moon pulling on the earth. So as long as the direction goes this way, North Pole is supposed to be where it is. So by the rule of thumb, what they're saying is that pole reversal, what happens when we do that? So currently we have the North Pole here. So we're going to switch it around in the circuit, energize it. And there we go. All it did was reverse. It's going to follow the direction of the current flow, not the direction of the core. The core is influenced by the electron flow, not the other way around. Now the other interesting part is that we get electricity from only one wire. The other wire gets attached to ground. The current flow goes from the power plant into the ground, not the other way around. If the current flow was to reverse to go from ground up into the power plants, then there is a potential of pole reversal. But of course we'd go into a total blackout if that happened. If the planet did stop and reverse its direction, pole reversal is possible.